There's a lot of
Welcome to
days that I
another
haven't played
video.
Roblox with you
You
two.
can also dance like this. Yeah, yo. I've been groaning a lot. Tomorrow is almost my birthday, so yeah. Also, this is my new skin because I got hacked. I'm just joking. This is my real skin. I'll just press catalog and then just do some stuff. Yeah. Why there's so much? Yeah, I don't choose my. Yo, why are there so much eagles? Like, the heck? So, what's this? Yeah, boys. Yo, it's invisible. Am I even invisible? I'm not even invisible, but it looks really cool. It looks cool, by the way. It looks like a snake. Ah! It's like I'm aura farming, but I'm super hungry. Just having fun. Well, I'm 8 now, so I'm still in kids Roblox because I'm 8 only. I mean, I'm a little bit tired right now. Finally, she. Wait, did that? Yeah. There's also other dances, or like Pumpkin King, like that. Oh yeah. Wait, I also have this. Yeah, we can parkour. like like Roblox is making a parkour game. I can choose here. Or look at this.